Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. NCB Financial Group has made history by successfully raising $225 million through a senior secured notes offering on the international capital markets. NCB Financial Group is the first Jamaican financial institution to issue bonds in the 144A Regulation S market. The landmark transaction, which closed on July 3, is the second largest financial sector bond issuance in the region's history and the first international market transaction by a Jamaican corporate in 5 years. The notes, which mature on July 31, 2030, carry an 11% coupon and were assigned credit ratings of B- by Standard & Poor's and B+ by Fitch Ratings. NCBFG says it reflects market confidence in its financial strength and disciplined capital strategy.
So the real significance here is we've brought in over $200 million of new capital into the Caribbean. So that is enough for us to refinance about 30% of our existing Caribbean, because all of our bonds to date have been raised in the Caribbean. So that means now for those people who were, at their limits, we got money, we can, reduce their exposure. It just broadens our investor base so that while this one is just a refinance debt, down the road now, we have all kinds of international investors now that are monitoring us. They're getting to know us so that if we need more capital later down the road, we're going to have these sources we can tap into.
The company says the offering was led by Citibank NA and received strong global demand from a diverse range of institutional investors.
And these are world-class global investors. This is a very, what they refer to as a, US SEC 144A regulated security. So we have, U.S., European, Middle Eastern investors, asset management companies, broker dealers that have asked more questions than any regional analyst has, because they do this day in and day out and question our financials and grill us for an hour on questions. And in the end, they have, given us money that we can use to repay regional investors. And
to the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 495 points today, while the junior market index increased by 10 points. The advancing stocks were led by Iron Rock Insurance Company, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company, KLE Group and Proven Group. Losers include ISP Finance Services, JFP Limited, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Palace Amusement and Honey Bun. 21 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.25. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.65. The pound is going for $214.82, while the euro is selling for an average $188.48. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.